Hello my dear friends. Today I want to discuss about mechanism of chip formation. In my small video lecture, I want to share chip formation mechanism, yielding and brittle fracture, chip reduction coefficient, cutting ratio, shear angle and cutting strength. So mechanism of chip formation in machining. So what is machining actually? Machining is a semi-finished or finishing process essentially done to impart required or stipulated dimensional and form accuracy and surface finish to enable the product to fulfill its basic functional requirement, provide better or improved performance, render longer surface life. Machining is a process of gradual removal of excess material from the performed blank in the form of chip. So what is chip? Chip actually is the unwanted material coming from the performed blank. The form of machine chip depends mainly upon work material and geometry of the cutting tool, level of cutting velocity and feed, and also to some extent on depth of cut, machining environment or cutting fluid that affects temperature and friction at the chip tool and work tool interface. So knowledge of basic mechanism of chip formation helps to understand the characteristic of chip and to attain favorable chip form. So this is the basic diagram of chip formation. One is A1 and one is A2. What is A1 and what is A2? A1 is chip thickness before cut and A2 is chip thickness after cut. After cut means when machining takes place, chip is formed and bent and chip have some velocity for removing the erect surface area. So this is a diagram. The pattern and extent of total deformation of the chip due to primary and secondary shear deformation of the chip ahead and along the tool face. This is the shift or postcut type of sliding. This is chip form, shear, lamella, etc. One is primary shear zone, one is the secondary shear zone. Primary shear zone is responsible for bending and secondary shearing zone is responsible for sticking or jamming case. So many grid structure is there. This is actually seen in material, which material we have select. Two types of mechanism in chip formation. Development of crack propagation of chip. Crack propagation in case of brittle material. Brittle material, it has no continuous chip. After certain time it will break. So this is the process: separation, soiling, further soiling, separation and soiling. This is the process. The chip amount is very small, and this is a schematic view of chip formation, machining of brittle material. So chip reduction coefficient or cutting ratio, very important thing. The usual geometrical features of formation of continuous chip is schematically as shown in figure. The chip thickness A2 usually become larger than uncut chip A1. Comparison of the chip ahead of the tool, frictional resistance of the chip flow. This is basically the geometrical features of the whole chip formation. A1, A2, B1, B2. This is gamma O, this is alpha O. Gamma O is the rake angle in orthogonal system. Alpha O is the clearance angle in orthogonal system. This is T is the depth of cut in millimeter. H0 is the feed. B1 is the width. B2 is the width. B1 is the width for before cut chip and B2 is the width for after cut chip. A1 is the chip thickness uncut layer. A2 is the chip thickness A1 is the chip thickness of before cut and A2 is the after cut. So Xi is the A2 by A1, which is always greater than 1, and A1 is H0 sin phi. H0 is the feed and phi is the principal cutting edge angle. This is the total formula. Please remember this thing. This area is very important. So many multiple choice question, numerical question come in your GATE exam and any kinds of competitive exam also. 1 by Xi equal to reciprocal of Xi equal to R, A1 by A2. This if Xi is not, if R1, A1, A2 is not given, Xi is find out in this method. Epsilon mu within bracket pi by 2 minus gamma O. Please remember this formula. This is a block diagram. Xi. Another formula is L1 by L2 or Vc by Va. Vc means cutting velocity, Va is the chip velocity. What is the shear angle? It has been observed that during machining, particularly ductile material, the chip sharply changes its direction of flow. From the direction of the cutting velocity Vc that along the tool rake surface after thickening of surface deformation or slip or lamellar sliding along a plane, thus plane is called shear plane. Shear plane and shear angle. Shear plane is the plane separation of work material layer in the form of chip from the permanent body due to shear along that plane. Angle of what is shear angle? Angle of inclination of the shear plane from the direction of the cutting velocity. So this diagram is very important. This beta O is the shear plane angle. So A1, A2, what is the xi? Cos beta O minus gamma O by sin gamma O. It's come totally from this equation. This is beta O. If this is beta O, this is 90 degree. Obviously, this angle, these to this angle equal to beta O minus gamma O. This is gamma O. So from this equation, tan beta O equal to cos gamma O by xi minus sin gamma O. Very important thing. All of you, please remember this thing. Tan beta O equal to cos gamma O by xi minus sin gamma O. Or if we replacing chip reduction coefficient xi, this is come from tan beta O equal to r cos gamma O by 1 minus r sin gamma O. What is the cutting strain? From this formula, epsilon equal to cot beta O plus tan beta O minus gamma O. So please remember this formula. Any kinds of numerical problem you can solve with the help of this formula. So thank you everybody.